Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Fenty Skin Dew and Plump Hydrating Nectar Glow Serum. This product retails for $38. Really excited from this hydrating launch from Fenty Skin. I've tried some of their hydrating products before. I almost think I tried a hydrating serum or something similar and it did break me out. I'm really hopeful that this product won't, but I will be keeping that in mind going into this review. They claim this product is non-comedogenic. I don't personally like that terminology because it's not really telling of whether it will cause acne, and the testing there is not foolproof. Also, everyone's acne is different. This is also a little bit more expensive for a hydrating serum, so I'm curious to see if it is worth it. A lot of things I'm going to be looking for with this product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Sadly, in typical Fenty Skin fashion, they use some essential oils and fragrance ingredients in this product. Not that big of a deal, but if you are sensitive, then definitely avoid this product. They include a super quench juice blend, which utilizes some pretty standard ingredients from Fenty Skin, like Barbados cherry, with some fruits like melon and star fruit as well. They also utilize Panthenol, Polyglutamic and hyaluronic acid, and Niacinamide. Seems to be a pretty nourishing, hydrating, balanced serum, so I'm really excited to see how this product performs. That will be the main thing I'm looking for with this product. I also want to see how it feels on the skin. Does it cause any acne? And what else do I notice with it? You can click the link in the description to go to their website to learn more about the full ingredients, but I will be continuing to do check-ins with this product, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I'm excited because Fenty Skin is diving into the kind of balancing, hydrating serum approach to this product. With all the ingredients they included, it seems to be a dream for acne-prone skin, but also I'm gonna have to test that out because Fenty Skin's line has been hit or miss with that. It has this really lush, light texture, not sticky whatsoever, but it definitely is very balancing. I like that. It feels really nice. It's kind of light and absorbs pretty fast, but has a little bit more weight to it than some other hydrating serums like this. So like the pump, this is some packaging that I feel like a lot of brands I wish I saw more of, because sometimes with these types of serums, they like dispense so messy. This is a very smooth pump. That's very random, but sometimes that matters. Fragrance is pretty heavy, so just be mindful of that. I like that they included polyglutamic acid and hyaluronic acid in here. There are so many serums on the market that I feel like just highlight one or the other. This has both and also has some balancing ingredients as well. Gives a nice lightweight dew to the skin. Definitely wasn't eating today. My skin's been a little bit more dry. Actually, my skin's been really dry. I don't know what's been going on. Summer, so I usually get more oily, but I think I've just been out more and it's causing my skin to be dry. This is already providing an instant level of nourishment. Only thing is there are so many balancing hydrating serums on the market. This is pretty expensive compared to that. I do want to see how often I feel like I'm going to go through this product, kind of compare it to some of my favorite hydrating serums as I continue using it. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Sadly, this hydrating serum did cause pretty bad acne with me. And I'm not sure which ingredient caused it. It wasn't what I was expecting going into this review because they had some balancing ingredients. They had some really nice nourishing ingredients in here as well. With that being said though, this was the only new product that I had incorporated, and you can see I'm still recovering from some pretty bad breakouts. So this product had to be the only cause of that, and I'm really disappointed. Other than the fragrance, it was a really beautiful hydrating finish to the skin, kind of light, kind of dewy, a little bit refreshing, but it did have fragrance in it, so it already was knocked down some points from some of my other favorite serums. I'm personally able to tolerate fragrance, but I luckily have a lot of alternatives to this product, especially considering it is a hydrating product. There are so many hydrating serums on the market. Some of my favorites include the Prequel Multi-Quench, uses ectoin and also polyglutamic acid, which is a similar ingredient in this product, but has a much lighter weight texture and may be more friendly for acne-prone skin. Experiment Super Saturated was the closest resemblance to this product. It is a great balanced serum that is really nourishing and going to give you a hydrating dewy finish. I also really like Purito's Mighty Bamboo collection, both their cream and their serum. You could use either depending on your skin type, also use it differently depending on which you prefer. The Mighty Bamboo serum had a more lightweight finish, while the Mighty Bamboo cream had a very similar finish to this. I know it's a moisturizer, but you can use it as a hydrating barrier serum as well. This product just didn't work for me, and I do not know which ingredients set off my acne. Been hit or miss with a few in this product, and so I was disappointed that I wasn't able to use it. I personally cannot recommend it if you have acne prone skin. I was really deceived by this product because I thought, looking over the ingredients, that it was gonna work really well for my acne prone skin, but that's just proof that no matter what an ingredient list or what the standout ingredients are, sometimes it comes down to formulation. Maybe it was too heavy of a finish, or maybe it was a certain concentration of an ingredient. There's really no way to tell what set off my acne in this product. I just know I was experiencing really bad breakouts, and they continued to get worse as I continued using this, so I had to discontinue use after about a week. I really didn't get to see long-term hydration benefits, but those really don't matter if they were causing breakouts. I also feel like you're gonna get a lot more of results for your money with going for any of the other options that I mentioned. So with that being said, I would recommend going for any of those, and I'm not the biggest fan of this product because I experienced breakouts, and I personally cannot recommend if you have acne prone skin. Everyone's acne is different, but still, just coming from my personal experience, that's just how I feel about this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.